By now, one team member should have opened up the Google Sheets that is attached to this slideshow and shared it with the partners in the group. Each team member must complete one of these three tasks. If there are only two team members, then two tasks will be completed by one member. This video is for team member one, doing height and length of a selected group of dinosaurs along with a dinosaur size combo line chart. So I'm going to show you how to create the line chart and get it into the slideshow. So I'm going to go back to the document that was shared with you. First thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to use the internet and research the 14 dinosaurs that are listed in column A. You're going to need to find their average height in feet as well as their average length in feet. For the example, I just made up numbers for each one of these columns, so please do not use the numbers that I put down because they are not correct. When you're online and you're looking up the information, you need the average height in feet, the average length in feet. So if it gives you a range of numbers, just come up with the average. For example, if it says the T-Rex is average height in feet is going to be between 10 and 14 feet, then the average would be 12. Okay, if it's between 10 and 20, the average would be 15. Okay, so you're going to have to do a little bit of math on that. Once this is all complete, this is how we're going to make our line chart. We're going to highlight everything from A1 over and down to C15. Remember, when we're highlighting, we're going from the center of the cell. Don't click on the blue lines or the corner. Go from the center, drag over to C, and down to 15. And that will highlight all the information that we want in our line chart. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the Insert tab. We're going to go down to Chart. And then a chart is going to pop up. This is not the chart that we want. We want to change the chart. So we're going to go over to Chart Editor. And we're going to change the chart type. Right now it says Stacked Column Chart. That is not what we want. I'm going to drop this menu down. And I'm going to go to the section that says line. We want a combo chart. So we don't want two lines. We want a combination of a line and a bar graph. So we're going to click the third option, and it will now show us the chart that we want. So our average height in feet will be represented by the bars, and the average length in feet will be represented by the lines. Now remember, your information is not going to look identical to this because your numbers will be different. So we're done making the chart. It was very easy. We just now need to get the chart into our slideshow. So to do that, I'm going to make sure I click on the chart so it's outlined in blue. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control-C to copy. I'm going to go back to my slide, and I want to go to the slide that says Dinosaur Size Combo Line Chart. And all I have to do is Control-V to paste it. A box might come up, it says to paste the chart. We do not need to link it, so you can just click Paste Unlinked, and then click Paste. Okay, and I'm just going to resize it so it's larger, drag it to the center, and I want to make sure that it's centered the best I can, and then you are all finished and can move on to the next portion of the project.